Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bowl a fast Yorker. First, let's focus on the grip. Hold the ball with your index and middle fingers on the seam, close together. Your thumb should provide support underneath. This two-finger seam grip is crucial for controlling the ball's trajectory and generating the necessary pace. Keep your grip firm, but relax to allow for a smooth release. Next, let's talk about your run-up and release. A smooth, rhythmic run-up is essential for building momentum. Maintain a consistent pace, accelerating slightly towards the crease. Release the ball at the highest point of your bowling action, ensuring a full and straight arm. This maximizes your speed and helps you hit the target area consistently. Now, let's focus on targeting and follow-through. The key to a successful Yorker is aiming precisely at the batsman's toes or the base of the stumps. Visualize this target clearly before you start your run-up. After releasing the ball, complete a strong, balanced follow-through. This ensures your body weight transfers forward, adding power and preventing injury. Finally, consistent practice is vital. Set up a single stump or a marker at the popping crease and aim to hit it repeatedly. Start with a shorter run-up to focus on your release and accuracy, then gradually increase your pace. Bowl 10 to 15 Yorkers in each session. Recording your bowling can help you analyze and refine your technique over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.